Before we dive into foods, it's crucial to understand that food cannot directly replace estrogen. Estrogen is a hormone produced primarily by the ovaries, and its levels fluctuate throughout a woman's life. While certain foods contain compounds that mimic estrogen's effects, phytoestrogens, they cannot fully compensate for hormonal imbalances. If you're experiencing symptoms related to low estrogen, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment. Foods rich in phytoestrogens, that said, incorporating these foods into your diet can offer potential benefits. Flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with lignans, a type of phytoestrogen. Soybeans and soy products. Tofu, edamame, and soy milk contain isoflavones, another form of phytoestrogen. Dried fruits, apricots, prunes, and dates are good sources of phytoestrogens. Sesame seeds. These tiny seeds are rich in lignans. Nuts, almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are great options. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage contain phytoestrogens. Garlic. While not a primary source, garlic does offer some phytoestrogen benefits. Peaches. These juicy fruits contain phytoestrogens. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and may support hormonal balance. Tofu. As mentioned earlier, tofu is a soy product high in isoflavones. Remember, while these foods can be part of a healthy diet, they shouldn't replace medical advice or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance.